Hello, welcome back makers, you are doing great. In this module, we are going to learn about an Arduino software, its installation and setup. So let's begin. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the Arduino IDE software. So for that, go to the arduino.cc website and click on the software and click on the just downloads. After this, just scroll down and you will see many options for Linux, Mac and Windows. I choose Windows because I use Windows XP and up versions. You can select Mac or Linux as per your requirement. After this, just click on the just download and as you see here, the downloading starts. It will take hardly 1 to 2 minutes to download as per your speed of internet. After completion of downloading, it looks like this. So double tap on this. After double tap, the installation window pops up. So just say I agree, next and install button. So install the Arduino. The installation takes hardly 1 minute. It is depend on your processing speed and RAM. After complete installation, it looks like this. So click on the close button and go to the start menu and search for Arduino and you will see Arduino on your PC and just click on that. As you see here, the Arduino software is successfully downloaded and installed. So in the next video, we are going to see how to add libraries and boards in the Arduino IDE.